Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm filming a little catch-up work. I'm sure you could have guessed, but I do have the Crimson Crush mystery bag and the Giddy Up and Glow mystery bag. The bags are so cute. This one has little cowboy boots on it, and this one's like a super soft velvet with a little Western heart. First I'm gonna do the glam bag. Ooh, it has like leopard print inside. So cute. First up is the Louis Marie Eau de Parfum number 14, Bulgarian Rose Vanilla Jasmine. That sounds like it smells amazing. It's always risky. Let me spray it on the card first. Ooh, that, oh my gosh. That smells like Chanel Mademoiselle. A little bit more fresh, like a little bit of a laundry note in there, but Chanel Mademoiselle, wow, that smells amazing. Very good. Next, in this little glam bag, we have the JLo Beauty Blockbuster Hydrating Cream. Cool. I have the highlighter, like the glow, the body glow. So this is cute, a little, that Blockbuster. Oh, Jenny from the Block. Is it Jenny from the Block, yo? Then we have the Glow Recipe Watermelon toner. I love Glow Recipe, so that's a win. Next is, ooh, a little brush, a little synthetic, peach colored little blush brush. Super cute. I love getting new brushes. And then is the Wander Beauty Lip Treatment Oil. So that's what's in the Crimson Crush, at least the one I got. And moving on to the bigger mystery bag. Oh my gosh, this has the little, can you see that? This has like the little Western heart too. This is such a cute bag. I'm gonna use this for my makeup currently. I'm gonna change out the one that I'm using and use this one. This one is like crimson inside. And the first thing I see is the Fuego Lip Trio. Caliente, Spicy, and Cheeto. Interesting, Cheeto. Louis Castro. So that's what this is. The packaging is really cute. It's got like little flames. And it looks like this beautiful brown, the gloss, Beauty Creations. Does this have a smell? I can't really smell what this smells like. And the lipstick, okay, it's all kind of this same terracotta color. The perfect triad lip combo. This would actually look really good with what I have on. So let me go ahead and try it real quick. What do we think? Do we like it? I think it's really cute. Okay, next in here is the Half Caked Starbright Loose Setting Powder. I chose this item. I've been on a setting powder kick. I just picked up the Huda Beauty Peach Pie and the Charlotte Tilbury, and this is a pink one. So I got the peach one from Huda because I knew I ordered this one. Half Caked. I'm curious to try this. I'll have to, oh, it comes with a little puff. I love that. Nobody does that anymore. What do we think? Is it too much? Okay. That, it's so hard to tell right now because I just built my little vanity, and my normal filming setup, I don't have a mirror right in front of me. It's like off to the side. So I'm trying to figure that out. I can't really, I think this looks good. Next we have the Lucky Chick Fruit Infused Glow Illuminizer in Rainbow Glow. I feel like I got one of these forever ago. Ooh, maybe not. That's really pretty. It's like this beautiful gold color. No, I do not have this. I'm gonna add it to my little collection. 2 items left. We have the Clear Brow Tamer. I'm really happy about this because I do not have a clear brow gel. This might have been an item I chose as well. I can't remember, but perfect. And then we have the Farrah Creamy Malai Blush in She Creamy. Oh, that name is terrible. The name alone makes me not want to even open the product. I might just put this in a giveaway. So that is what was in my mystery glam bag, the Crimson Crush, and the Giddy Up and Glow mystery bags. Please leave me a comment and subscribe if you like these videos. It would mean the world to me, and thank you for watching.